For those of you who are planning on going on a long adventure ride, either on the road or on the trail, one thing that we rely on is navigation. And some of these navigation devices, like say a Garmin, they can be pretty pricey, right? Get up there $500, $600, even north of that. So if you don't want to spend that type of money for a navigation device, I have a tip for you. And this was free. This, well, technically it wasn't free because I bought it a long time ago, but this is my old phone. This is a phone that I no longer use, but it's still good, right? I got a new phone, put this one in a drawer, still works, still functions, and I'm going to tell you what to do. This has no service, but it does have Wi-Fi. So what you're going to do is you're going to download your favorite navigation app. And for me, I use onX Off-Road. Not sponsored, by the way. And if you can see, onX works. The thing is, because I don't have service, is you have to go offline. So I will go offline, choose a map that I'd already saved, and now I can run it while I'm out in the trail. I don't need service, I don't need Wi-Fi. It relies on GPS, it knows where you're at, you can follow the trail, you can get back to the road, you can get back to civilization, and you don't have to spend $500 or $600. So get an old phone. It doesn't have to be fast, it doesn't have to be snappy, it just has to work, even if the battery is bad. Now you're just going to get your favorite mounting device, put my phone in it, now it's a navigation device. And if you have a bad battery on your phone because your phone is old, which is probably why you upgraded, just take your USB charger, put it in there, have a USB power outlet somewhere on your bike, plug it in, and you got power. Another good thing about using your old phone as a navigation device is if you go down, your bike goes down and somehow your phone becomes dislodged from the mount or gets hit by a rock or something and it breaks, you're not out $500, $600 for a Garmin, and you're not out of your personal phone that you're currently using. All right, so that's the tip that I have for you today, and it's going to save you a lot of money. All right, this is Las Vegas Ranger Outdoors, and we'll see you on the next one.